Guys, AI changed forever. We have a new player in the block. It's called Manus AI, and it's one of the most powerful AI tools that ever created. So if you're someone looking to make money with AI, or you're trying to implement AI into your business, this video is for you, because I'm gonna show you this pretty cool stuff you can do with Manus AI, because the chances are you're still using AI as a fancy Google calculator. We're gonna change that. So let's jump right in. The first thing is I've been building AI tools with vibe coding for the past couple of years. This is Promo Topics, one of my AI softwares. This is Dragonly, another AI softwares. And I know some stuff about AI. I also implemented AI in my other businesses, such as the consulting company that I have and in my affiliate marketing company. We have 3 phases for AI. The first phase was you simply chat with the AI and the AI gives you answers based on your questions. This is ChatGPT, Claude AI, Gemini, DeepSeek, etc. The second phase of AI was automation. This is Zapier, N8N, Make.com, and what it means is now the AI not only gives you answers based on your questions, but it actually completes some tasks. For example, you can have your website, and anytime someone submits a form, the AI grabs all the details, puts them either in Google Doc or updates a profile or send you a message in Slack. And now we are at the third phase. This is Manus. This is where not only the agent gives you answers, not only it completes tasks, but it thinks on its own. You don't have to prompt the AI multiple times to complete a specific goal or task. The AI has the brain to actually pinpoint you to the right direction. I wanted to promote Promo Topics, my software, with Facebook ads. And I said to Manus, I'm promoting a web app called Promo Topics. It's a niche discovery website, generate 5 Instagram ad variations. Manus started creating the images one by one. So this is an image, this is an image. It also created a landing page without me asking it. So it literally created a website. This is a real website with all my ads in it that I can promote on Facebook. As you can see, not only did it create the images for my ads, but also thought about it, and it decided you might need a website as well, or a landing page where you're going to send your traffic to, which is pretty cool. I don't need a website, but it's pretty cool. Then what it decided to do on its own right here, and by the way, keep in mind, this is with a single prompt. It's not like I've prompted multiple times. It's one single prompt. You saw it in the very beginning. So based on that, it decided to make the landing page. And also for all of the 5 ad images, it created an ad angle: pain point, data-driven, social proof, competitive, or time saving. The angle is essential when you're doing paid media, because you don't know which audience is going to convert more. For example, let's say you're a coach. You have a digital product or your coaching program. Different angles could be freelancers, busy entrepreneurs, solopreneurs, brick and mortar business owners. So these are different audience groups with different angles. I said to Manus, hey, I never asked you to create a web page. I wanted only ads plus ad copy, and the copy is too short. Make it bigger. We have an angle, pain point. This is the first angle. Tired of launching products that flop. This is the pain point. Data-driven, and it starts with data doesn't lie. Okay, then we have another angle, social proof. From 0 sales to $8,000 a month, that's what happens when you pick the right niche. And by the way, if I scroll, I can see the actual image. So not only it created the angle, the ad copy, and it actually matches the image with the angle. And these very same images that Manus created, I have already uploaded them to Facebook, and they're actually active, running live. Here's how you win, how you actually go ahead of 99% of the people out there. There are 3 steps on how you actually succeed with this new AI. Use the AI, this is step number 1. Use the AI to explain to you how to use the actual AI. I know it sounds dumb, but it's true. Like, literally go inside Manus and type this or say this: hey Manus, could you please tell me how I can use you? What are your features and how I can best utilize you? And there we go. The Manus will start giving you answers on how to use Manus. And I know it sounds very simple, but very few people actually do it. Second point I'm trying to make is iterate and brainstorm with the AI tool. Once you have your answers here, what are the capabilities and how you can use it, then you start asking follow-up questions. Or in my campaign here, where I created the Facebook or Instagram ads, I can start asking questions. Why did you come up with this angle? Why did you create this image? So in other words, I'm going to make the AI tool to start thinking deeper and give me actual sources of why this image, particular image or text will work. So I can then later on maybe niche down or narrow down my other ad copies. And the final step is to have a crystal clear task in mind. This is your end goal. The more specific tasks you give to the AI, the better the result will be. For example, if I just say the AI, hey, create me an ebook for gardening, it's too broad, it's too vague. But if I say, hey, create an ebook for gardening, I'm targeting people from 45 to 65 years of age. I'm targeting homeowners. This book about gardening is going to help people with their soil preparation. Don't include any plants. It's only about how to take care of your soil, how to find the most nutritious soil, etc., etc. So now this is way more specific. Here's something that makes Manus different. After I have this conversation with Manus, right, I have all of these things here written about my Facebook ads. I have iterated, I have brainstormed. So Manus understands how to create high converting ads for Instagram. So instead of me starting this conversation over and over again, every time I need new ads, what I can do is I can click this. This is going to be my skill. And every time I need to create new ads, I'm just gonna call the skill. You can find all of your skills when you click settings right here and go here, skills. I already have skill creator, I have a video generator, and here you can usually click add and build with Manus. You can create a new skill with the chat or upload a PDF document. You can literally upload an ebook. You can upload Alex Hormoz's $100 leads or 100 million leads, the entire ebook, upload it here, tell the Manus to study how you acquire leads, and then start asking questions how you can acquire more leads based on the book that Manus has studied. Another cool part about Manus is if you're running paid ads, you can connect literally your Meta Ads Manager, and I have already done that. As you can see, these are your connections, and I have Meta Ads, and so it's going to study my Ads Manager. It's going to see my targeting, my campaigns, my ad sets, and my ads, and it's going to give me analytics and statistics, and it's going to tell me how to improve my campaigns. Something else is this tab right here called the agent mode in Manus. It's the autonomous thinker of Manus. This is now becoming your business partner. And as you can see, the start with this chat is as following. Hey there, I'm your online personal agent. I'm ready to dive in, but first, what should I call you? Like, it's going to ask you for your name and a couple of questions so it knows how to interact with you. Then, once it's ready, it's going to ask you if you wanted to hook it up to your phone, to your Telegram. And I actually did that. And here is my message from my Telegram app on my phone, and I told it to Manus through the agent to create a website. Let me play it for you and see if it actually you can hear it.
High converting landing page. I need you to...
So basically I said I need you to create a high converting landing page from my phone with a voice message, 4-second voice message. And Manus said, got it, Ross. What's the landing page for? I need few things. What is the product? Who's the targeted audience? What is the main call to action? Any brand details like colors, names, etc., logos. That's it from my phone. And if you want to see how I'm using Manus on my phone through Telegram, I'm going to create a separate video, but let me know if you're interested in such a video where I'm going to walk you through in more details about Manus, features, possibilities, how to personalize it. Comment with the word video and I'm going to create it. But let's say you don't have a product to promote yet. Well, you have two options. The first option is that's why I created Promo Topics. This tool, the only purpose of this tool is to give digital marketers and individuals ideas on how to create products, not only any products, but products that are profitable, that are high in demand and low in competition. Now, I'm not trying to promote my tool, but this is the purpose I created it, and you can create a free account with it. So promotopics.com, you can go to trending niches and you can get inspiring ideas on what products to create. For example, yoga for seniors. This is a topic that is growing in searches and popularities. This one, mobile bike repair, very good topic. It's going up. Outdoor gear rental. This is kind of stable, but you can get ideas here. Another thing you can do is to go to the Discover tab. And in here, you can type a broad niche. For example, let's say weight loss or fitness, or let's say fitness, and this tool will find you sub niches of fitness that are again low in competition and high in demand. While this is loading, your second option is, instead of you finding the product or creating the products, you just go to affiliate networks such as JVZoo, CJ Affiliate. We have ClickBank, we have Impact.com with all of these highly legitimate affiliate offers. You just promote somebody else's product and you get a commission for doing that. So look at this. Promo Topics, we already found a bunch of niches. So 9 micro niches found for fitness. And let's see, the first one is bodyweight fitness for busy remote workers with back pain, very specific niche, right? Strength training for over 50 women with joint pain. This is good. And what I can do here is I can literally click this button, validate. The promo topics will go to this tab. It gives us some more information about the actual topic. Market demand 85 over 100, which is very good. The competition is medium. The trend direction is rising. And we can see some even earnings potentials. And now we can actually see promo topics gives us affiliate offers. We can literally go and just find affiliate offers from the tool and promote them, ready to go. But the other thing that I actually love about it is not only that it gives us products we can promote without us creating the products, but it also gives us active ads in this niche. In other words, we can see how other people are promoting the same products, so we can study them and create our own versions. Then, promo topics gives you AI strategies, AI chats, business coaches, all of these goodies. I'm not going to go into details. It also gives you a 4-week action plan, products you can create, more products you can create, traffic, how to run traffic, monetization methods, etc., etc. But yeah, I'm not going to go into details. We have so many things here. We have the AI assistant here. We have the AI workflow as well. This is very, very powerful. But again, I don't want to go into details because it's going to take us a lot of time. And the final option is obviously to go on JVZoo and find a product. So in the category, we're going to select spirituality. I don't know what that is, but let's click it, or I don't know, let's click this one, because I see more money here that can be made. All right, this one. So let's check it out. So the sale price is $297 and I get 50% commission. So I'm going to get $150 for each sale. And I'm going to click product page so I can see the actual offer, and this is it. I don't recommend to grab the first product you see. Obviously, study the offers, study the products, make sure they're legitimate, make sure they're good, and only then promote them. But let's say you have studied this one for the sake of the video. I'm gonna copy this, like this, the domain name. We're gonna go back to Manus, and here I'm gonna say the following. Hey Manus, I'm promoting a spirituality product. I want you to create me a complete 30-day plan on how I can create free content, distribute this free content. Tell me all about which are the best networks to use, which are the best medias, the format of the content, and also could you please create the content. Here is the website that I'm promoting, and I'm going to paste the website. Boom, this is it. So if I hit enter, Manus will start thinking. Sometimes it takes 4, 5, even 10 minutes to conduct the entire research and analysis. So actually, as you can see, it opens the website. Manus has its own computer. It's a desktop. It's a browser. And it conducts researches. As you can see, it opens a bunch of websites, opens the actual website that I gave it to. It's now building the 30-day content plan and documents with platform strategy, formats, and all content pieces. And this is how you win, guys. Manus is the tool. I mean, I've been using it for a couple of weeks now, and it's totally changed the way I approach and work with AI. I actually stopped using the other AI tools, pretty much. Now, if you like the information in this video, give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. If you want to see something more, either for AI or something about my businesses or how I do vibe coding for websites, let me know in the comments below. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video.